All right, the drink we're about to make is called Dance with a Dream Cocktail. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So if you want to put some water and ice in it, let it sit. That'll get it nice and cool for when you're ready. All right, measure out 2 shots of brandy. Here's 1 and 2. Perfect. And mix this up. Get it nice and cold. Feel free to dance with the dream yourself. Or dance like a dream. Like you're in a dream. That'll do it. And we got our strainer. Set up our glass. And go ahead and pour it out. Dance with a Dream Cocktail. Bottoms up.